Good morning students. This is the video for class 6 and subject is biology and chapter is chapter 7. Okay. The name of the chapter is life around us. So we will discuss in this chapter about the living and non-living things, their characteristics, their diversity, the factors which affect the living and non-living things, etc. All this we will discuss in this video. So first of all, diversity. Diversity means variability around us. There are various types of plants and animals around us. Various means different type. Okay. So diversity means different types of things, like different types of animals, different types of plants, different types of birds, different types of butterflies, different types of roses. Okay. So this is diversity. This is the meaning of diversity. Understood? So the living organisms are different in shape, size and color. Suppose a mosquito is very small and elephant is very big, like that. A honeybee is very small, but a blue whale is very large, very big. Okay, so their size, shape of the animals. Suppose we are living beings and we are human. We have two hands, two legs. Okay, we walk on foot, on our feet, and we have 2 feet. But buffaloes, cows, elephant, deer, zebra, camel, horse, these have 4 feet. Okay, so their shape is different from us. A zebra cannot look like elephant. A human being cannot look like monkey. Okay, so their shape is different, size is different and color is different. Okay, in human being, many people have different people of different countries have different color. Suppose Chinese are looking pale, yellowish in color. Negro, that the people that live in African countries, they look very black. Okay, the people of Britain, that means England and America, they look whitish. So there are a different color of human being also. Like that, other animals have also different colors and shape and sizes. Okay, and next come, we are the living organisms surrounded by many living and non-living things. Suppose at home we have non-living things. We are surrounded with non-living things like furniture in your room. There are furniture, shelves, books, your bat and bag, your shoes, your school uniform, your books, your lunch box, all the things. These are non-living things. Okay, and what are living things? Living things are those which do some life activities. What are life activities? These are breath, respiration, movement, etc. Okay, and so the living things do these life activities. Living things have some characteristics. Okay, how a thing or an organism is called living, it has some characteristic. These character, there are 10 characteristics. You can see here, living organisms are made up of cells. Any living organism, either it is plant, animal, or insect, or microorganisms like bacteria, all are made up of cell. So cell is called the building block of our body. That means, as you have observed that the house or any building is made up of bricks. So bricks are the building block of that house. Like that, our body is made up of cells. So cells are the building block of living organisms. All living organisms are made up of cells. There are many cells, millions and trillions cells in our body that perform different functions. Okay. Second comes, living organisms have definite shape. So a living organism have a shape, a particular shape of it. Like you can recognize that living organism by seeing its shape. Like elephant has trunk, camels have hump on its body, dolphin have fins. Okay, tiger has strips on its body, and it has its own shape. Okay, so we can, on the basis of shape we can recognize the living organism. Different types of plants looks different, their shape are different. Okay, then comes third characteristic, that is living organisms grow. Suppose you are a child studying in 6th class. Now before 2 years you were in 4th class, and when you were very small, that means of 3-4 years, then you were in nursery. Okay, so from nursery to class 6 you have grown up, you have become tall, you have your height has increased. Okay, so like that all living organisms grow in size. Okay, suppose you plant any plant. Okay, the plant also grow. Suppose you kept a puppy, that puppy also grows and becomes dog. Okay, calf becomes cow, kitten becomes cat. Okay, like that all living things grow in size. Okay, then fourth, living organisms have a definite lifespan. Lifespan means the duration of living. Okay, how many years a living thing grow. Suppose a dog live for 10 or 12 years. A human being lives for 60 to 80 years. Now these days, previously the man used to live for 100 years and more than 100 years. Someone also, some person live for more than 100 years. So this is lifespan. That means the duration of living. Okay. Then comes living organisms need food. We all need food. All the plants also need food. All the animals need food. So where this food comes to us? So in this uh, question we can say that green plants are autotrophs. Green plants are autotrophs. They prepare or make the food by the process of photosynthesis, and that food come in the grains. Okay, like the grains of wheat, rice, pulses. Okay, so when these grains we eat, like you eat chocolate, you eat biscuits, you eat bread, you eat chapatis, so all these things are made up of wheat flour. Okay, so from wheat we get wheat flour, then that flour is used to make bread in our homes, chapatis in our homes, that we eat. We eat vegetables, we eat pulses. So this food we obtain from plants. Some food we also obtain from animals. Okay, like we get milk from cows, buffaloes, and we get fish from fish, meat from goat, and eggs from hens. Okay, so they also provide us food. And what is the need of the food in our body? Food, when we eat the food, we get energy from the food,